So I would like then to come to our next speaker. So just as a short introduction, last year in Q3, we launched with the Luxembourg Blockchain Lab a call for projects, which was quite a huge success. And based on the submissions that we had received, we selected 7 projects for being mentored within the Luxembourg Blockchain Lab. And each day within the thematic streams, we present one of these projects. And today the project that we present is called Filedgr. Filedgr offers a secure, safe and certified data transfer for the freight and construction industries. And Filedgr also allows you to share and monitor data in a secure, secrecy-preserving, yet transparent fashion. And to tell us a bit more now about Filedgr, we welcome on stage Nino Chaganava. She is the communications manager at New Group and co-founder at Filedgr. So Nino, please, I invite you to open your cam and open your mic, and the stage is yours.
Thank you very much, Tom. Hello, everyone. And please confirm if you can see, I'll share my screen. If you can confirm for me.
Yes, we can see it.
Yes, we can.
Great, thank you. So good afternoon again to everyone. Really great to be here, honestly. And thanks again for the opportunity. As already mentioned, we are the part of the Luxembourg Blockchain Lab. And today I will present Filedgr to you. We will discuss issues such as digital twin data hub, sensors, data capturing process, and why do we need blockchain for all of this. In today's accelerated and technologically developed world, this is the future that we can have. It is heavily polluted, unhealthy, dirty, noisy, and dangerous to live in. This is the future that we want to build at Filedgr. It's clean, fresh, green, healthy, and environmentally friendly. To achieve this goal, we need to know how to handle the data around us. We have piles and piles of data, which is difficult to trace, difficult to generate, and therefore difficult to measure. We cannot improve what we cannot measure. That's where the Filedgr comes in. We at Filedgr offer you digital twin data hub for your IoT. That is, we bound together a physical object and its virtual representation, i.e. digital twin. The data capturing process is fully adapted to your work and your company's work. The main goal of the Filedgr is to bridge physical and digital worlds together and to make the whole process as easy as sending an email. Now, this is an example of the digital twin data hub for the real estate. As you can see, we have a school which can monitor environmental conditions on our data hub. For this, we use unique object identifier FIBRI. And once the sensors stream and monitor the conditions within the digital twin context, everything is sent to the data hub. So how do we bridge physical and digital worlds together? There are 2 ways for that. One is that we use NFC tags, and then we use digital twin ID to visualize different data feeds in the field. Now, another way is more suitable for the logistics industry. Let's look at the example. We have an arbor worker, and in order to document his work, he can write a bill, he can take an image of a container, he receives an individual email address of the digital twin, attaches everything, and sends to the email. Now, these are some of the sensors that we use in our work. We can measure different environmental conditions, such as temperature, humidity, CO2 levels. But what's important to mention is that we operate on demand with our clients. That is, we can get you any kind of sensor to capture any type of data and measure it for you. Now, remember I mentioned the data capturing process is a complex one. We at Filedgr want to give you a tool to make your daily tasks of data capturing easy, and simple. We call this tool Smart Data Capture App. We use infrared cameras, data loggers, and once we capture the environmental conditions, everything is traced to the blockchain. Which brings me to the main question of our conference today as to why do we need blockchain? We at Filedgr believe that blockchain is a proof of transfer. That means different actors such as warehouses, insurers, inspectors, they can share their critical data on our digital twin data hub and trace it to the blockchain. Blockchain provides a resilient proof of a work or an action done. That is, data is traceable anytime, anywhere by your company. In terms of technology, we're using Ethereum and Stellar blockchains. We're cloud native. We use Android, iOS, SDKs, and I already spoke about the sensors. However, when discussing blockchains, usually a question of security pops up. To answer your question, to ensure the security, we use hardware-generated cryptographic keys. And for the verifiable credentials, we use best practice digital signatures. That's why our data is secure on our digital twin data hub. Now, to do all this work, we have an international team of 5 with a background in machine learning, distributed systems, web development, mobile application. I agree with another speaker here. There's a lot already done in the blockchain industry, but there's still a lot to come, and we hope to be the part of this process. I'm afraid that's all from me for you today, and I would like to take an opportunity. First, thank you all for your time, and thank the organizers for such a great opportunity. Have a nice afternoon, and I'm ready for your questions, if any. I'll just move to the chat window.
Okay, thank you very much, Nino, for your presentation of Filedgr. Very